how to change your DPI in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change your DPI in Roblox. It's a fast and simple process, so follow the steps. First of all, you need to check your mouse for DPI button. Most gaming mouse have these. So pressing the DPI button will change your DPI, which is usually indicated by a change in speed with each press until it loops back to the beginning. If your mouse does not have DPI buttons, you need to open your computer's control panel. Now once it is opened, go to the mouse settings, which you will find between Funds and Recovery. Select the mouse option and a menu will appear. Go to the button section and there you will see the option of double click speed. Here you can adjust your mouse speed to your preference, either fast or very slow. I hope this helped you change your DPI in Roblox. If it did, please like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.